Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Matic tokens from your Phantom wallet to Gemini for better security or trading options. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. It's available for both mobile and desktop. Ensure you have some Matic tokens in your wallet and that your Gemini account is fully verified. Gemini is a trusted exchange, but always double-check your account details to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to the Matic token you want to transfer. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually right there on the main screen. Once you're in, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Gemini account, go to the deposit section, and select Matic. Gemini will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully. Step 2. Back in Phantom, paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Double-check it to make sure it's correct. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Next, enter the amount of Matic you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs before confirming. Step 3. Hit the Send button and confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric scan. Once it's sent, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer. Phantom often provides a link for this. Finally, once the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, log back into Gemini and check your account. Your Matic should appear shortly. And that's it, you've successfully moved your tokens. A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first if you're unsure, especially in the ever-changing crypto landscape of 2025. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.